Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming which Realtek adapter you have and securing a rollback. Open Device Manager and note the exact model and driver version so you download the correct package. Once done, create a system restore point and back up any unsaved work. This protects you if the new driver misbehaves. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account and close any VPN or heavy network apps to avoid conflicts while installing. Now you'll get the correct driver and install it. Download the package that matches your exact model and Windows version, preferably from the manufacturer rather than an unknown mirror. Release notes explain fixes. Once downloaded, unzip and run the installer as administrator or use Device Manager to point to the extracted folder. During installation, watch for prompts to remove old drivers and restart. Follow them. If prompted for unsigned driver warnings, finish by rebooting and verifying the update worked. Open Device Manager, confirm the driver version, then test browsing and transfer speeds. If connectivity is worse, don't panic. Open Device Manager, choose the adapter, and use rollback driver or uninstall and reinstall the previous driver. Your restore point is the safety net. Also check Event Viewer for driver error codes. Those codes tell you whether to retry the vendor installer. Try a generic Microsoft driver, or update the motherboard/chipset drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.